Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Go Guzzle Gone. Thank you for showing your love on Carcassonne vlog, जिसमें हमने बहुत ही beautiful castle cover किया है, and it is one of the oldest castle in Europe. Like that's a very big deal, and we explored the history of it. But being in France on a girls' trip, it's amazing. Today, I am gonna explore another city of France with you all, Toulouse.
I think तेरे को नहीं आ रहा है हमें आ रहा है लेकिन तेरे को नहीं आ रहा है. So basically we are going to the city of Toulouse where we're gonna find this historical place. It's called the symbol of Toulouse, and today I don't know where to place a mic because this is like I've been strangled by it. And obviously Priyanka is gonna use her navigation, so I have to use my brain, you know, like if you know what I mean. So first destination in Toulouse is gonna be the symbol of Toulouse. Hail France, hail, let's go. And it's a 17-minute walk. Look what we found. It's a beautiful statue in here in the middle of the city center, and we just are heading towards the symbol of Toulouse. By the way, आपको बताऊं कल Carcassonne में how many steps we walked? 18,000 steps. I'm not kidding. And out of that, like 5 kilometers for sure was hiking because we were climbing up the castle. Aaj dekhte hain, I'm wearing my watch again. So let's see today how many steps are we gonna climb up again or walk again. But it's good for health because I skipped my workout. So this is better my friend, you know. Alright, so we are in the main square of Toulouse. और सामने कुछ दिख रहा है क्या? कुछ तो दिख रहा है आपको. माई फेयर लेडी बोलते हैं, मैं पता नहीं इसका नाम क्या, बट आई थिंक वी कॉल इट माई फेयर लेडी थिंग, एंड किड्स आर एंजॉयिंग एंड हॉपिंग ऑन टू इट. दिस इज द मेन स्क्वायर ऑफ टुलूज एंड दिस इज हाउ ब्यूटिफुल इट लुक्स लाइक. Look at this, one of the most happening areas, and it's very close to the hotel. So we just have walked like 10 minutes and we are already here. Yeah, let's go closer. Judge मत करना, इनके हाथ में बुक है और एक हाथ में ऐसे बस पेन लेकर बैठे हैं, तो ऑथर हो सकते हैं. It says on Google it's Pierre de Guduli. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, please forgive me. Birju Maharaj, please forgive me. For me and Ree, we are also shooting one reel on the way. If you want to check that out, of course, you have to follow me on Instagram. It is a very cheerful reel. Please go and check it out, okay? It's nice. Okay, we are trying our French best. So we are on the shopping street of Toulouse, and there are a lot of entertainers and activities happening in here, which I'm going to show you in a bit. And it's called Plus the Capitole, and it's a main attraction. It's very lively, and there's some music I can hear somewhere. And the cathedral is right here. It has my heart. I love this place. I love this place, like literally. And this is the cathedral we were talking about for all this while. I'll try to make an entry inside, but look at the architecture. It's like you are into Harry Potter right now. It's amazing. And the square itself, so lively. Eat streets, of course, our favorite Zara. Wow, I just love every bit of it. I want to soak every bit of it. So let's go and enjoy. Are you gonna judge me if I tell you the first time I'm seeing this cherry blossom and it complements my outfit? I know, right? It is so amazing. And here is the overall wide view of this place. So pretty. Guys, this is a very famous monument of Toulouse. It's called Palace de Capitole. It's a parliament building, but also like a national crush of France, you can say. It's very pretty. I'm not able to do adequate justice with the camera, but it's huge widespread, like you can see. It's huge. It's damn huge. Which is Baba, this market is amazing. It's on the roadside, but then it's just perfect. And Ree is gonna try this beautiful jacket, and it's very affordable. My goodness, मेरे को ऐसी size fit नहीं होती ना. Like for her body type, it's perfect. But for me, yalla no. बता नहीं सकती इतना पैसा खर्चा हो चुका मेरा इस वेके पर. My God, कल से हम लोग पैसे उड़ाए जा रहे हैं, like you know. But what to do, यार? Once in a while we do this, and I know I am a very crybaby. I like to spend, but then I don't like to spend, so I don't know what to do with. Oh, babe. Sleeves are a bit short.
Oh yeah. Just take one size bigger, but you think the fitting will not be good? Just try one size bigger. Maybe the sleeves will fit you. Babe, you're looking like a model. I'm not even kidding. Let's go. Let's go in France. Yeah, let's go. Don't judge us, okay? Because we're dying to, huh? Ree. She just wants to check something more here. Chalo, let's go see. But yeah, I want something more filling because since yesterday we are just having breads and burger and I don't know, fries and ice cream with coffee. Actually, coffee has more froth and no coffee. So basically, it becomes an espresso, like just like this much. But we are looking for it. It's lunchtime already, and we had not have breakfast yet. So we are trying to look out for more places. And Italian food is very fulfilling. I like French food, but then the thing is, the translation is a bit difficult and you don't know what are the ingredients and I don't want to get allergic. So please keep your Google translators ready. तो scene ये हुआ है कि we have left Priyanka at the restaurant wherein she can order food and we found a place where we loved the outfits, but the problem is that only cash and we no cash. Okay, tourist no cash. So now we are finding the ATM which Ree has already figured out and I'm just following her navigation so that we can get that done and efficiently use the time because that's very important. And we are back with Priyanka. Thank you for watching our stuff and letting us go. So she's ordered some delicious pizza, some Kir Royal, madam. And I have ordered some burrata pesto linguine with grilled vegetable and a glass of prosecco. And it's time to enjoy the lunch. Let's have a good one. You also enjoy lunch if you're watching the vlog while having the lunch. Okay, give me a thumbs up. Priyanka, give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up, yes. See, slow processor.
Priyanka, you just want to get rid of us, huh? I can see. Thank you so much. Hari, just kidding. Let's go buy the dress, Ree. Bye, Ree. And there is straight on the right hand side, illuminated signal. See, this is how I brief them about
People,
Yes.
Now we will be doing some shopping.
It's shopping time.
Dress shopping.
Yo.
Summer dress shopping
Yes.
in the middle of French winter.
Then we're almost freezing, yeah?
Yes.
So let's go and get ready for spring.
Yes.
Yalla! Guys, look at this paintings on top. I mean, it's all handmade portraits. So I was asking Ree, like, how did they paint it there? And then we realized it's with the frame. So they painted it first and then they just hung it. We're giving, yeah, this is what it is because it has, all of it has a frame. It's amazing. It's very pretty. The feeling after eating is somehow amazing. I don't know why, but I feel so content with the food. Mwah. Vuju viji. Very nice. Okay, here we go with a bit of entertainment happening at the square. People are performing their arts. Like I said, that France is all about artists in all the lanes and a lot of appraisals. Ooh. Awesome, awesome. What is he doing? Is it like a dance or like a gymnastic act? But he's doing something crazy. People are really appreciating him. Here we are yet again to do the ritual of souvenirs because yesterday we bought Carcassonne and today is the time for Toulouse. So let's go and get some souvenir for us. Wanna see the cutest thing ever? Look at this dog. He's been carried in a backpack. He has no idea what's happening. And Priyanka got that captured for me. Awesome. And by the way, shopping done, souvenir shopping and the dress also. I'll give you a sneak peek later. I'll soon dress up and I will share it to you on Instagram if you've not followed me yet. You know, right? Today actually my makeup looks very nice, very clean. है ना? It's a clean सा.
Yes.
है ना? Makeup अच्छा लग रहा है ना? Clean सा makeup, ना? Suiting to our weather. These girls are obsessing over this cute. This is how I make my reel. Priyanka, we want to clap reel here. And this is how I get my cameraman, you know.
Not interested in what to do.
What to do, no choice. Let's do it. Check out the reel. Yes, this is the church we have been walking all this for. And it is apparently open. So we're gonna get into the church. And there's a beautiful shrine of Christ right here. I mean, it says a lot because it has the, the crucifixion symbol on it, and I'm sure it's a great Catholic church. So let's go and enjoy the church vicinity. Let's pray. Okay, so after holifying ourselves, we are going to Canal Dumbi de Toulouse V, and it is a very beautiful spot as well. So the church is done. Let's go to the next spot, but I'm craving for something sugary. So let's eat something.
I need sugar.
I know. Let's have something, yeah. Because we were so full at that time, we didn't feel any need, but now yes. Let's
Time
have
for
some
dessert.
waffle, crepes, anything would do. As long as it has Nutella in it, khalas, that's all I need.
Two cute things. One is his baby, and one is the way she's making crepes. Oh,
See, it's a very satisfying process, and I think we're gonna have crepes. Look at me, I look like a lion, no? And after this canal, please. So much of overacting I've done. Chunky Pandey has also failed. And I am making everyone crazy out there.
always smiling.
Always smiling. You're great. That's great.
You want me to rap in the video? And here we are at the very famous canal area of Toulouse, and these two girls have already found their place there. So they're just seated and enjoying the view. And meanwhile, I'm just recording for you, and these are a lot of cafes, restaurants all around the corner. People are reading, few of them are working, eating and chilling. The whole vibe itself is just beyond imagination. It's very pretty. All right, so from the canal, before these two ladies sleep already, they both are yawning, by the way. Pata nahi kya ho gaya in dono ko. Maybe we are very relaxed, that's why. But we are ending this vlog to Toulouse. I hope you did enjoy this girls' trip in France. So we have Carcassonne and Toulouse here. Link will be in the description for Carcassonne as well. Go and check that out. Follow me on Instagram, podcast. And if you did like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This time I taught them, so they are fine. Let's go!